Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today is a Wednesday and I'm going on a road trip with my friend Bella. So without further ado, let's get this video started. So here is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this Zimmermann dress with my Stuart Weitzman gold sandals, and my hair has actually recently been coloured, so that's also a bit different. So here is my outfit of the day. Hey guys, so we are just in Ocean Grove. I'm here with Bella, who you guys know from some of my vlogs. Yeah, so we're just walking down the main street of Ocean Grove.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is so nice. Not too hot, not too cold. We're good.
It's good.
We're good. Hey guys, so we are now at a lookout spot called The Bluff in Barwon Heads, and it is so pretty. We've just driven here from Ocean Grove. How long is it? Like
from Ocean Grove? Maybe like 15 minutes?
Yeah, so minutes. They're really close by. It's really pretty here. Such a good overview of Barwon Heads. So we're in the car driving to the main street at Barwon Heads. Bella's driving. Thank you.
No
So yeah, it's a very scenic drive. So pretty around here, and it's just good to be out and about and explore, because you guys know it has been a very hot summer, so it's good to do some day trips while we have time. So I got a pumpkin salad, Bella got a salad as well, and salmon skewers. We've got some water and some green tea.
I'm so captured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch.
Hey guys, so we are now in Clifton Springs and we've done a bit of a drive around today.
Yeah, we have, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been really good and it's really lovely here. The beach is so pretty and the water's so crystal clear and blue,
Yeah.
which is very nice.
It's different from Melbourne.
Yeah, it's so quiet as well, which is really refreshing, because sometimes you need to just get away from the city, the hustle and bustle, and get out and enjoy some peace and quiet. So we're thinking of driving to Port Allenton now, so we're going to keep you guys in a loop and we'll see you in a minute. So we're here in Port Allenton. We're walking along the pier and it is so pretty. So nice and very sunny, but don't worry guys, we have sunscreen on.
This time, you're not gonna get burnt this time.
No, like in my Sorrento vlog where I had that crazy sunburn. I've learnt my lesson and we're being very sun smart today, so slip slop slap guys. So yeah, we'll show you guys what the pier looks like because it is so pretty. The water is so crystal clear. You can literally see, you can see all the fish. Can you see them? So a lot of people come here to do fishing, hence all of these boats, and there's a few people over here and they've set up camp to fish. So yeah,
Have some fish.
I know, be good dinner.
And Port Allenton's also really famous for mussels.
Yeah.
They're beautiful as well.
So you were saying it's best to come in the morning if you want the mussels.
I think so, really early. Like my nonno used to come and get his mussels, and we'd have them every Sunday.
That's so nice. Yeah, it's really nice to buy fresh, whatever, fresh fish or
Fresh produce.
produce, yeah. So nice here, guys. So if you haven't been before, add this to your Melbourne travel bucket list.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough.
So there you guys have it. We are just leaving Clifton Springs now. It has been such a fun day out, girls' day out. It's been really good. Good to see all the water and just scenery. So nice. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel. And we'll be seeing you guys for a brand new video very soon. So we'll see you then.
Thanks
Bye.
for having me. Bye.
Bye.